Brian Limbacher, the president and owner of Protech Equipment. Protech started in the mid 80s. I hate to say it, but I want to be the best. I always try to encourage the guys, if we're designing a solution, what's the best way to do it? What is the customer going to really be happy with? We're constantly looking for the best technology and then try to explain to the customer why this is the best solution, make the customer's life easy, give them a win. It's an art though, because you don't want to overprice, you don't want to just throw everybody, it needs to be the best appropriate solution.
We represent a group of companies that are all focused on food, pharmaceutical, chemical, plastics, agriculture, that kind of thing. So a wide variety of customer base. Yeah, so one of my longtime customers had a project in a site in another state, and he asked me to get involved with the project. And so, long story short, I basically joined the startup team and was on site with him, helped him work with the factory representatives and the engineers, and provided that local support that he was used to at this offsite facility. And the system went in smoothly, and it's been running great for probably about 6 to 8 months now. So he was very happy with the support that he got, not only from our engineers back at the factory, but also that I came with him and helped him work through some of the things that had to be some of the more technical things.
When you're on site and you're able, you're looking them in their eye, you're able to shake their hand, they know there's integrity in that I'm here because I care. So we strive to respond as quickly as possible so that the customer knows that, we're on the job. We're doing everything we can to help you with your application or problem, whatever it might be. Maybe even if it's just parts, it could be a shipping request.
We're always very speedy getting the customer what they need, but we're also really into making sure that everything works. We don't want to just sell something and it not work for the customer. We want them to come back to us and say, okay, these guys make my job easier. People should work with Protech if they're looking for really high quality equipment that's gonna last. We have the most experienced people either working for us or we know them.
If I can help make their job easier, that's gonna make them want to work with me and work with us and in the future, and they'll be happy and we'll be happy.
When I want to meet the needs of my customers, the thing I feel like separates myself from the competition and Protech from the competition is a lot of that just interaction and making sure that I'm staying in front of them and helping when and where needed.
Altogether, we have a good reputation for, I think that's kind of the general consensus of dry bulk and who's the best person for this. And we get a lot of referrals and recommendations that I think we're doing that because hey, someone told me to call you, so that makes us feel good too, that we're doing the right things.